everybody, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Nina Chanelli and I make beauty videos. We are here because we are here to see what I do to maintain my hair to long lengths. Right now it is at tailbone length and I'm so excited about that because it was my dream length and I actually hit my goal. So I'm really proud of myself for that, and actually now I want to dye my hair, which is really gonna probably be super damaging and terrible to my hair, but I'm like, if I create the perfect deep conditioner that has protein in it that can rebuild your hair, then I can dye my hair blonde again and show you guys by just continuing using Crown Hair Care products, which are the products that I make from home from scratch. Over the last 6 years, I've perfected every single product that I have. I can enhanced every single recipe at least 5 times. Now I've created products that I would love to share with you guys and encourage you guys to enjoy and try out Crown Hair Care products. They are amazing, and I'm not just saying that. I am a certified hair loss practitioner, and I created all of these products from scratch just from my love of making hair care products. If you guys seen my videos in the past, I used to literally just mix a whole bunch of stuff together and put it in my hair, and I'm like, okay, I like that, you know. So when I started making products, I really liked them. They weren't the best as far as like consistency and texture and stuff in the beginning, but like I said, I've been perfected them throughout the years, and now they are perfect, and I'm ready to show you guys. I'm ready to really get it out there in the market, and I really want you guys to try it out. In this video, I want to show you guys how my weekly regimen. So every single week I do wash my hair. This specific week I didn't wash my hair. It was like 2 weeks of not washing my hair because I was being super lazy. Better late than never. I'm just washing my hair, and every single week I just twist my hair like this. So my hair, usually I can leave my hair like this for like maybe 2 to 3 days. My bonnet like always slips off, and I do have silk pillowcases. I don't know why. It is maybe not 100% dry. It's still probably like maybe 90% dry because I'm feeling my roots. So like I said, I can leave my hair like this for like 3 days, and then I can take these twists out, and it's really pretty beautiful waves. I don't like to do braids. I like to do twists because my twists come out more juicy when I take them out instead of like crinkly like how braids leave my hair. So I like to do twists, and these are just 2-strand twists. They're not the fancy 3-strand twists. I don't even know how to do 3-strand twists. I'm actually gonna watch this video with you guys. So I'm gonna just start by showing you how crazy my hair looks. I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks, which is terrible because I usually wash it every week, but I just been feeling extremely lazy to do it. I feel so bad for my hair because look at it, like it's like dreading at this point. So as you can see right here, I'm just taking out my hair, and then I'm wetting it in the shower and really concentrating that shampoo on my scalp. I really want to, like I said, make sure that there's no sebum buildup on my scalp by really scrubbing it and scrubbing it like that. Usually they say don't put the shampoo on the length of your hair like this, but I do with this shampoo anyways because like I said, it's not drying, it's super moisturizing. So I do that twice actually because like I said, it was 2 weeks before I had washed my hair before, so I felt like my hair was really dirty. So again, right on my scalp only, and then I'm really concentrating there and then putting some through the length of my hair. So usually in the shower, when this is a regular shower day, I will wash my body while the shampoo is still in my hair so that it can stay in my hair for at least like 5 minutes. So for you, I would definitely suggest you let the hair soak with shampoo for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Because it's like you want your hair to get as clean as possible. So it's like the same thing as when you're cleaning like clothes or literally anything, let it soak for a little bit. So before you actually rinse off the soap and everything, so it can really get a deep clean and you really get all the benefits of the Onyx Cleanse shampoo, because there are a whole lot of herbs in there. Check the back of the ingredients to see all the wonderful herbs in there. All of those herbs are meant to grow your hair, so you want to let it sit on there so you can really reap all the benefits. And you can go ahead and use a brush which you can purchase on the Crown Hair Care website right here. It's a brush that has some give, so once your hair starts to pull when you're actually combing it and brushing it out, it will also pull with your hair so that it doesn't break your hair and damage it. It makes it easier to detangle if you have a sensitive scalp or you have kids with a sensitive scalp. This is a really great brush because it doesn't pull your hair so much. And I really see a difference in using it. I really try not to break my hair. If there's too much if I'm struggling too much to comb it out, I won't comb it out. I'll just put more deep conditioner in it, and if it's even more tangled than that, then you can put oil in your hair. As you can see, I'm just using that exotic buttercream that I said, the Ayurvedic and Shivi buttercream, and I'm twisting up my hair. So I put a little bit of water on there. I don't like to have my hair super wet because I notice that when I have my hair super wet, the twists come out really small and it's just not as much volume. I suggest for more volume to let your hair dry out a little bit before you put the twist in. So I put a large amount of my exotic Shivi buttercream in my hair because I really like to soak and saturate my hair. That's just the way my hair is. Ever since I've been alive, my hair likes to soak and saturate everything. So I put a lot in there. And then I seal it with my whipped hair and body butter. And I have a couple of different scents, but today I was using the light blue, which I really, really enjoy. Making sure that I'm twisting the twist the way that I want it to lay. So for instance, this one back here, I have to brush it back this way so that I can lay it, and then also twist it this way so that I can lay this way. If I were to twist and brush my hair, this one, for instance, this way, it would lay like this. It would lay like this the whole time. So I try to just make sure I twist and lay my hair the way that it's supposed to go. And I don't want my hair to go back right now. I just want it tame, laid back twists. So I'm just putting little rubber bands at the end. As you can see, when your hair starts out juicy like this, it ends out juicy like that. That's why I put so much product in it, I guess. I mean, if you are product sensitive, I would not put in so much product, obviously. Like if you have low porosity hair, there you go. If you have low porosity hair, you don't need all this product. It's too much. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please, please, please thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm begging you to thumbs up, honestly, because this is my first video back and I really would appreciate the support, the love and support from you guys so that I can continue to make videos. Please, please, please check out Crown Hair Care. I'm gonna leave the links all down below. Please follow my Instagram. Please follow the Crown Hair Care Instagram. Please subscribe and like, and I know I'm asking you guys for a lot, but I promise you, you're gonna love the Crown Hair Care product, and I will see you guys in the next video.